Hey everybody. So that rebuilding video I was supposed to be working on, didn't happen. Ran into some time constraints this week, but I was able to finish the final demo of the shed. The final demo of the shed looks like we took both sidewalls off in between the door. We're going to reuse this door. I got new hinges. And whatnot, but we're going to reuse that door, and then we'll get all this framed up and back to normal. But yeah, a good part of the week was spent an hour here, an hour there, just trying to get the rest of the demo done. It was held together. The shed's in really good shape, and it was held together. It's held together pretty good. But like I said, it took a little longer than I thought, but we got that demoed. I've also been working on getting the concrete foundation cleaned up. You saw the mess after the last video when we moved the shed. I've got this here all cleaned up. Got some topsoil down. We're going to try to seed it and see if we can't get some grass to grow before the end of the year. But anyway, the cleanup process took a little bit longer than I had thought. The concrete footers were in the ground pretty good. They had some 3/4 inch rebar stuck in the ground, so I ended up having to use 2 floor jacks, put the loader on the tractor, use that, broke up all the concrete with a sledgehammer, and got rid of it all. So although I don't have much to show you this week, it was a busy week, and hopefully starting next week we're going to be framing this all up. We've got some lumber over there behind the trailer. I've got a pile of lumber over there behind the trailer. The new siding is going to be delivered here in 2 days on Monday, and we should be ready to go. Yeah, I guess that's it for now. Thanks for watching.